What up guys, Craig here, Fergie JKU. Today I'm going to show you the install of this awesome new head unit I just got from Stinger. It's the Horizon 10 and it can make this old Jeep Wrangler, which is a 2011, pretty cool. I'm just going to kind of fast forward to the beginning part because you've seen that part. I'll put a link in the description and you'll see I actually followed the iPad, just going back and forth, and you hook it up, install. I love it guys, I hope you love it too. Fergie, the JKU is my code. You can save on a lot of things at Stinger. Sadly, you can't save it as of right now. You can't save on the Horizon 10 with my code, but you can save on speakers and all that other stuff. So anyway, check it out. First thing I'm going to do, take apart some of this stuff, take out the dash, and then I'll put the radio. Let's see, I've got this all set up now. My GPS is right here. This is the display, and it works. So now I just need to figure out the display frame, put things back together. Dude, I'm so stoked. This is freaking awesome. Alright guys, I've had my radio now, the Stinger Horizon 10 head unit, for a couple weeks. I was able to connect the CAN bus and make my 2011 JKU basically like a newer Jeep. I got all the bells and whistles. If you drive an older Jeep like I do, you don't have the cool stuff. You don't even have steering wheel radio controls, you know. If your tire pressure is low, a little light will come up, but that's about it. With this new radio, you could do way more. Let me show you some of my favorite features. So here's the radio itself, of course, Android Auto. And I didn't even say this, but dude, it's wireless. It is one of my favorite features, just being wireless. I don't have to connect my phone to a USB cable. You could do PSI. I have to relearn a couple of my tire sensors. But check out these gauges. I mean, you've got coolant temperature, fuel level, intake air temp, you know, and a whole nother sheet. I've never had this before. I don't even know what half the stuff means, but I'm going to check it out. Performance, this is your miles per hour, RPMs. This is one of my favorite things too, pitch and roll. I just went wheeling this weekend and it was a few times. I was a little worried about my pitch, but you know, I looked at my degrees and I knew I was safe. So definitely check it out. And also check out, I got my Jeep back here. It's pretty sweet, right? I'm able to change my own desktop, made the little highlights red. Of course, the buttons are red for Fergie. Subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. But Stinger Horizon 10, use Fergie, the JKU, to save some money. And if you have any questions, give me a shout. Thanks, guys.